Hello children, I am Sumati madam going to start a lesson of social study for standard 4 children. Lesson 1, Landforms of the world. What is landform? The surface of the earth is not uniform everywhere. At some places it is high or low, other places it is flat or uneven. These features which make up the earth's surface are known as landforms. How are these landforms formed? Some landforms are formed by forces like water, wind and ice. Some other landforms are formed by the process occurring deep inside the earth. So in this lesson we will learn about different landforms such as mountain, valleys, passes, plateau, plain, desert, coast, peninsula, bays, islands and rivers. Now I am going to discuss about the mountain, valleys and plains. What is mountain? Mountains or hills are rocky masses of land that rises higher than the surroundings. But there is the difference between the mountains and hills is that mountains have very steep slopes and high peaks. Hills are smaller and lower. A long rows of mountains are called mountain range. The example is Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world, and the Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. It is located in Nepal. There are three kinds of mountain. One is fold mountain, second is volcanic mountain, and third is block mountain. The first one, that is fold mountain. Some mountains are formed when two large land masses pushed against each other, that is fold mountain. Examples are Himalaya in India, Rockies in North America and Alps in Europe. So these three are the example of fold mountains. Second is volcanic mountain. The volcanic mountains are formed when rock melted deep inside the earth, which rises to the surface and form volcano. Example, Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount Vesuvius in Italy. So these are the two examples of volcanic mountain. Then the third kind of mountain, that is block mountain. It is formed by splitting and sliding of large blocks of land. Examples, Sierra Nevada mountain in USA, Black Forest mountain in Germany. Here you see the children, the picture of Sierra Nevada mountain and the mountain Fuji in Japan. The formation of volcanic mountain, the Rocky mountain in US. So I have discussed the three kinds of mountain. Again I am repeating. One is fold mountain, number two volcanic mountain, and third is block mountain. Now after mountain we'll discuss another one landform, that is valley. The lowland between hills or mountains is called a valley. A number of valleys have rivers flowing through them. The best examples of valleys or the famous valleys are Kashmir Valley and another one Brahmaputra Valley. See the picture of the valley, how a valley with a river flowing through it. The next is passes. Mountains have low, narrow, natural gaps, and that is called passes. And people cross the mountain through these passes. Here the picture of the Khyber Pass connects Afghanistan and Pakistan. The Khyber Pass in the Himalaya which connects Afghanistan and Pakistan. Next landform, that is plateau. A large area of land that is higher than the surroundings and more or less flat at the top. That is called plateau. The example of plateau, the Deccan Plateau in South India. It covers almost the entire Indian peninsula. Another one plateau, which is the highest plateau in the world, that is Tibetan Plateau in the Himalayas. The Tibetan Plateau is also known as roof of the world. Here one picture is given, that is the Colorado Plateau in USA. So Columbia and Colorado Plateau are there in USA. Next landform, that is plain. Plains are flat land with gentle slopes. The rivers flow through the mountain, bring fertile soil to the plains. So, different types of crops grown there. Therefore, plains are thickly populated area in the world. So, again I am saying, plain is the landform where people are living and the population are high. Example, the northern plains of India. Another one example, the prairies of the USA, where a large amount of wheat and other grains are produced. Next landform, that is desert. Children, you know, desert areas are dry areas of land with extreme climate and very little rainfall. So, very few plants are grown there in the desert. In summer, the days are very hot, nights are cool. In winter, the days are cool and nights are very cold. This type of climates are called extreme climate. Here mention some important deserts of the world. Sahara Desert in North America, which is the biggest desert in the world. Kalahari Desert in Southern Africa. Atacama Desert in South America. Thar Desert in India. Here all of you have seen the green box, and here is written, did you know? Put tick mark there and you will learn it. Next landforms are coast, peninsula, bays and islands. Coast is a place where land meets the sea. Some coasts are sandy and straight, others are rocky. And next is peninsula. Peninsula is a landmass which is surrounded by water on three sides. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. The southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula is called Cape Comorin. And the largest peninsula in the world is Arabian Peninsula. Next is a bay. A bay is a water body running into land and surrounded water on three sides. Example, the Bay of Bengal in the eastern coast of India. Next is an island. Island is a landmass surrounded on all sides by water, and one country in the Indian Ocean, island country in Indian Ocean, that is Sri Lanka, and Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal are a group of islands, and Australia is the world's largest island. Now we'll discuss about the rivers. All of you have seen rivers. So river, did you know? Here also put tick mark. Rivers are stream of water that flows ultimately into the sea. There are two types of rivers. One is perennial river, another one seasonal river. The first, the perennial river. This type of rivers start in mountain from melting snow in glaciers, and they have water throughout the year. Most rivers in North India are perennial rivers. And the second one, that is seasonal rivers, and this type of rivers are formed by rain water, and they do not have water throughout the year, and these rivers ultimately flow into the sea. We'll discuss the tributaries, distributaries, delta of the river. Tributaries, the smaller rivers join the main river, that is the tributaries of the main river. And distributaries is before the river becomes slow, before entering into the sea, it carries a lot of sediments and deposited on the way, which causes the river to break up into channels or distributaries. These tributaries spread out like a triangle before falling into the sea. So such region or place is called a delta. The delta made by Brahmaputra and Ganga is the largest delta in the world. So these two rivers, Brahmaputra and the Ganga. Here some longest river in the world is mentioned, that is the river Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world. The Mississippi in USA, Congo in Africa and Ganga in India are some important rivers. Children, you underline the red words, the sentence with the red words. Underline all the sentence, and inside the lesson, did you know, in green box, that also you put tick mark. Then page number 6, that is given I now know. 6 sentences are there. The first is the important landforms of the world are mountain, plain, plateau, desert. Underline landforms, then mountain, plains, plateau, desert. Number 2, underline mountain, then surroundings. Number 3, underline plateau, top. Number 3, plain, then desert. Number 5, peninsula, bays. Number 6, river. And you all, words to remember, write there, learn by heart. Answer in one word. Now we'll discuss the exercise fill in the blanks, name the following, multiple choice question answer. Exercise fill in the blanks. Number 1, the lowland between two mountains is called dash, valley. Answer is valley. Number 2, the dash plateau is known as the roof of the world, the Tibetan plateau. Number 3, a triangular piece of land near the mouth of a river is called delta. Number 4, a perennial river starts in the mountain. Number 5, the tip of a peninsula is called a cape. Name the following. The largest desert in the world. Answer is Sahara Desert. Number 2, the longest river in the world, Nile. Number 3, the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. Number 4, an island country in the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. Number 5, a plateau in India, Deccan Plateau. Then we will discuss the multiple choice questions. The Black Forest mountains are, answer B, Block Mountain. Number 2, lowland between hills or mountain is called a, answer B, valley. Number 3, the landforms that are most heavily populated are, answer C, plains. Number 4, the Kalahari Desert lies in, answer A, Southern Africa. Number 5, small rivers that flow into the main rivers are called tributaries. So I have finished the chapter. Then I will, in the next video, I will give the question answer. Hope you all understood the lessons and learn what I have asked, that is the words to remember, I now know, and underline the sentence with the red words, and done also did you know. Thank you, children.